radio-controlled machines from the 1970s, and we'll have Class 15 Yes, indeed. This is DPM, isn't it? Oh yes, but like a false neutral, that caption. I think the Alpha is out there. I think it's just started its run. Oh yes, in the day, that'll be. Yeah, it's Colin Frame, Subaru Impreza WRC. The machine. And the Tamiya fast attack vehicle. No, one would not. So it's chucking those Tamiyas around. Next up, this Chevy, this is Brian Vickers in the Chevy SS. Yeah, Brian Vickers, absolutely contemporary NASCAR race. Will Spencer was due to leave the line. Well done to our marshals. Thank you very much to all of our marshals. Marshals Club and even the marshals if you want to be involved, then do get involved. Fantastic. I did a little bit. Obi-Wan Kenobi, and he is a Star Wars fan. He even took his livery, his helmet, and his race suit to an X-Wing fighter a few years back. Again, three-time champion, he's defending champion, he's piloted here. But Chris Forsberg, look at him, and to answer your question, yes, these guys they're not just boy racers, this is a serious sport. The vehicles, the drivers, they're talented. As you can see, they're navigating, they're pushing these cars to the razor's edge, and they're not getting cut because they are professional. And they are learning. Carter's with a K as he throws over the door. A little more styles for more. Witty, rhymes, isn't it? I'm a part-time rapper. Again, dad bod, dad rapping. That's where it's at. Kid jokes, dad bod, come back to the dad life. It's like you're down here like a kid that game or somebody in the cars when you're off the microphone. I think and you are. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Sniffing job. Thank you. Go and have a lie down in the car. I'm going to go and lie in the dark room. I'm going to party at the bar, a party at the house tonight. And, we'll see you there. We should have a party. But thank you for letting us contribute to the party on track. I want you to introduce me to the Drift Kings. No problem. Because I want to try and understand what's wrong with them. Nothing is wrong with them. What is wrong with you that you haven't slid the car around? Yes. Let's say yes. As we take a look back. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, let's have some highlights. We started off with our touring car icons and our great rally machines from the Group B, Group A and W.